Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to exercise 3C. In that first section, first problem number 1. The problem is if a equal to 201 minus 115 and b equal to minus 110 0 1 2, then find a b dash. This is our given problem. In this problem we had to find a b dash value. For that we had to given a and b values. By using b we can find b dash and then multiply a and b dash, then we will get a b dash. Then we will go to solution. First write down the given matrices are. Given matrices are, the given matrices are, first matrix A equal to 2 0 1 minus 1 1 5 and matrix B equal to minus 1 1 0 0 1 2. This is matrix B. From this, B dash equal to or B transpose of the matrix B, then minus 1 0 1 1 0 2. This is b dash value. Next we will find a b dash value. Then a b dash equal to matrix A value is 2 0 1 minus 1 1 5 into b dash value minus 1 0 1 1 0 2. First we check a b dash is exist or not. For that, first a matrix A order is 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. Then these two values are equal. Then a b dash is exist. Then the product value is a b dash is equal to, the resulted matrix order is 2 by 2. First row, first column, 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 0. First row, second column, 0 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 0. Minus 0 plus 1 plus 10. That is equal to in the problem in this minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, here second column minus 2 minus 10 minus 2 minus 2 1 plus 1 2 1 minus 9. This is a b dash value. This is first problem solution. Next we will go to second problem in the same section. Next, problem number 2. The given problem is if a equal to minus 2 1 5 0 minus 1 4 and b equal to minus 2 3 1 4 0 2, then find 2ab dash and 3b dash minus a. This is our given problem. In this problem we have to find 2ab dash and 3b dash minus a value. Then for that solution, first write down the given matrices are. Given matrices are a equal to minus 2 1 5 0 minus 1 4 and matrix B equal to minus 2 3 1 4 0 2. This is matrix B. Then we have to find 2ab dash and 3b dash minus a. In these two we have b dash value. For that, find out b dash equal to minus 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. This is b dash value. First we can find 2a plus b dash, that is equal to 2 into a value is minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4, plus b dash value is minus 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. This is b dash value. Then that is equal to, by multiply with 2, minus 4, 2, 10, 0, minus 2, 8, plus minus 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. This is another matrix. Then 2a plus b dash is equal to, the addition value is minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, 6, 13, 0, minus 1, 10. This is 2a plus b dash value. Next we can find 3b dash minus a, that is equal to 3 into b dash value is minus 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus a value is minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4, that is equal to 3 minus 6, 12, 9, 0, 3, 6, minus of minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4. Then that is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 2. That means minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, 12 minus 1, 11, 9 minus 5, 4, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus of minus 1, that means 3 plus 1, 4, 6 minus 4, 2. This is 3b dash minus a value. Next, similarly we can find the third problem in the same section. The next problem, problem number 3. The problem is, if a equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3, then find a plus a dash and a into a dash. This is our given problem. In this problem we have to find a plus a dash and a dash value. For that, first go to solution. Given matrix is a equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3. From this we can find a dash equal to 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. This is a dash value. First we can find a plus a dash. A plus a dash equal to, first matrix A is 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3, plus 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. This is a dash, that is equal to, the addition is 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4 plus of minus 5, minus 9, minus 5 plus of minus 4, minus 9, 3 plus 3, 6. This is a plus a dash value. Next we can find a into a dash value. Then a into a dash equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3 into a dash value 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. Then that is equal to First row, first column, 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. First row, second column, minus 10, minus 12, minus 10, minus 12, 25 plus 9. That is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 12 value is minus 22. Here also minus 22. 25 plus 9 value 34. This is a into a dash value. Then a into a dash equal to 20 minus 22 minus 22 34. This is a into a dash value. This is the third problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.